Hello children, welcome back. Hope you all are good and safe at home. I am Chitra Singh, your life skill teacher, and I also hope that you have revised the chapter we have done last week. Today we are going to do our next chapter, which is about Joy, who is Arpit's sister. She is going to have vaccination today. This is your chapter Joy Gets an Injection, page number 10. In this chapter today, Joy is going to have vaccination. Okay, I know you remember who is Joy. Joy is the sister of Arpit. So let's start this chapter, but first of all we will learn few terms. First of all is vaccination. What is it? It is the treatment with a vaccine to produce immunity against a disease. It is actually an administration of vaccine into the body of someone so that his or her immune system gets improved or produce the immunity system against a particular disease. Okay. Next term is vaccine. It is something that put into your body which helps keep you from getting a disease. Something. Actually, vaccine contains a dead or weakened microorganisms or also known as germs. It helps prevent sickness from infectious diseases. Okay. When you were a baby, you also got different vaccinations like measles, polio, etc. It actually improve or produce your immunity against a particular disease. Okay, that the disease just I told you, that is measles, polio, these type of disease. One day it was a lazy winter Sunday morning. Arpit and Poxo were watching a cartoon show, but they both were feeling bored. They both wanted to go out and play. And also, Arpit's mother and father had to take his baby sister Joy to a doctor. Arpit also wanted to go with them, and he asked his father. His father replied, he and Poxo can come, but he will not be able to watch his favorite cartoon when he returns because at that time he has to do his homework. Arpit happily agreed. They all went to the hospital. Arpit and Poxo have been coming this place since they were small babies. There they see many babies with their mothers. They have never seen so many babies together. And Arpit was thinking that why all these babies are in the hospital, what they are going to do. Then his father said, all these babies will get an injection from the doctor so that they do not fall sick and always stay healthy. And there will be more injections that will be given to the babies from time to time. This is called vaccination. So they all keep visiting the doctors. You also had these injections when you were a baby. Then Arpit replied, yes, I remembered. How can I forget the injection? Poxo smiled. And children, you also had these injections, which we call vaccination, so that you do not fall sick and stay healthy. These vaccinations are very important. It is for your good health, and you always stay away from harmful diseases. So children, today you learned about the chapter Joy Gets an Injection. And in homework you have to read this chapter properly. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. And you have to write your section and name in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye.